The truth about fats, the good, the bad, and the in-between. Fats have been vilified for years as the health villain, culprits behind everything from heart disease to obesity. But the latest science carries a different message. Not all fats are created equal. To understand the distinctions between good, bad, and in-between fats is the way to a healthy diet and healthy living. The good, healthy fats. Healthy fats, such as unsaturated fats, are necessary for optimal body function. Monounsaturated fats, which are present in olive oil, avocados, and nuts, play a role in keeping the heart healthy by reducing LDL bad cholesterol without influencing HDL good cholesterol. Polyunsaturated fats, such as omega-3 fatty acids present in fatty fish, such as salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, reduce inflammation and are good for the brain. These fats play a critical role in the structure of cell membranes, hormone action, and nutrient uptake. Research indicates diets high in healthy fats, such as the Mediterranean diet, reduce cardiovascular disease risk and enhance brain health. Adding the healthy fats in moderation, a drizzle of olive oil or serving of almonds, enhances health and taste. The bad, trans fats. Trans fats are the fat world's villains. These man-made fats, which are commonly in processed foods such as margarine, fast food French fries, and snack foods, raise LDL cholesterol and reduce HDL, greatly raising heart disease risk. The World Health Organization estimates that over 500,000 cardiovascular disease deaths each year are caused by trans fats. Trans fats have been banned or limited by most nations, but they still find their way into some ultra-processed foods. It is imperative to read food packaging for partially hydrogenated oils in order to exclude these unhealthy fats in their entirety. The middle, saturated fats. Saturated fats in butter, red meat, and coconut oil are in the middle ground. They used to be demonized, but they're now being considered with more subtlety. While excessive can increase LDL cholesterol, moderate intake in a healthy diet may not be as bad as believed. For instance, the medium-chain triglycerides in coconut oil are metabolized differently, which potentially delivers energy benefits. Nevertheless, the American Heart Association recommends that saturated fats not exceed 10% of daily calories and instead choose unsaturated ones. Striking a balance. The secret to working with fats is balance and awareness. Select healthy fats in whole foods, avoid trans fats, and use saturated fats carefully. Knowing the functions of fats will help you make informed decisions that benefit long-term health without depriving you of flavor. Importance of water. As everyone knows that water is the reason for our existence, and further living things on the earth exclusive of water, we cannot visualize the existence of. Life on any planet Earth is the only recognized planet having water and life till day. We should not overlook the value of water in our life, and aim our best to save water by using every achievable means. The Earth is covered up with about 71% of water, yet with just 3% of drinking water. The typical cycle of water balance runs as expected, like evaporation and raining. The trouble is with the saving of clean and consumable water on Earth, which is accessible in very less quantity. Water conservation is achievable with a good lifestyle of the human beings. In order to make out the reason of why we should save water, firstly, we should recognize the significance of water, means how the water is helpful to us in our daily life is not possible exclusive of oxygen, water, and food. Most significantly, water is the most precious one out of all the three basics of life. The question is how much uncontaminated water we have on Earth. According to the information, it has been anticipated that less than 3% of the water on Earth is appropriate for drinking. If we guess the ratio of drinking water to the whole population of the world, it would be more than 1 billion of people across the world are existing on 1 gallon of water for each day. People have started accepting the worth of clean water, though not entirely trying to save water. Saving water is a good practice, and each and every one of us should attempt their best to save water for the persistence of life here. Previously, people were surprised by seeing water selling on the shops. Nonetheless, now they prepared to pay money for pure water bottle worth 20 rupees or even more for their fine health. We can visibly envision that in the near future, there would be much scarcity of clean water all over the planet. Water is the most indispensable element of life and is essential for sustenance. The significance of water in our diet is evident as it helps the body to carry out definite metabolic tasks and controls the body temperature. In addition, water is much less as its density is comparable to that of cells' protoplasm. There is no uncertainty that water is ubiquitous, and it is very vital to our Earth and the life dwelling in it. Thank you for reading.